Hands up! Get hands up! I don't care!
Oh, my pacemaker's going off! Oh my god!
Amerika Birleşik Devletleri, Wisconsin. Takvimler 21 Haziran 2025'i gösteriyor. Lac County'de bir sürücü tüm kuralları hiçe sayarak şehir içinde adeta terör estiriyor. Birkaç saniye sonra bir K9 polis birimi aynı aracı bu kez şehir içine girerken gördü. Memur hemen dönüş yaptı ve sirenlerini açtı. Araç Interstate 41 otoyoluna ters yönden girmeye başladı. Şüpheli aracı yana iterek hendek içine zorladı ve nihayet durdurmayı başardı. Olay yerine gelen diğer memurlar şüpheliyi araçtan çıkardı ve gözaltına aldı.
Hands up! Get hands up! Hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! You're gonna get bit with a dog! Put your
Sheriff 53, here 20.
hands up! South end. We've ran them multiple times. Get the out of the car! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up.
I didn't copy it. I heard something about Ram.
He's trying to ram him. South end.
Tom Collins there. Fly 4151, are you coming with the TTV?
You're gonna get tased. Turn the car off. I don't care. Turn the car off. Do it now. Turn the car off. Turn the car off. He's still trying to get away. Cover me. Sheriff 53, we got the car turned off. Starting an ambulance. Look at his pacemaker's going off.
My pacemaker's going off! Oh my god!
Grab his hand.
Oh my god!
Get out of the car!
My fucking pacemaker! Oh my god! Oh, my pacemaker's going off!
Put your hands on your back.
My pacemaker!
Put your hands on your back.
My pacemaker's going off!
Now.
The pacemaker's going off! Oh my god! I'm sorry, this is not me. Somebody can control my pacemaker! Oh my god!
You alright?
Oh,
Lane, are you good?
it's still my pacemaker's going off!
Check the dog. Go ahead. want to set him up? Get him to the road? Yeah. Yeah. It's pretty bad. Hey, Bert. All right, Steven, stand up for us. All right, buddy, we'll get you up. Yep, sit up. Yep. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up and walk. Keep walking. Get him took out. Yeah, I don't care. Okay, come on, let's go. Keep walking. Sit down there, Chitty. Sit down.
Gözaltına alınan kişi 49 yaşındaki Steven Yuhas şu suçlamalar yöneltildi. Birinci derece bilinçli tehlikeye atma, polisten kaçarken zarar verme, memura direnme. Yuhas çarşamba günü mahkemeye çıkarıldı. Mahkeme onun için $50.000 nakit kefalet belirledi. Seattle Polis Departmanı East Madison Street'te bulunan bir evde aile içi şiddet ihbarı aldı. Polis ekipleri vakit kaybetmeden olay yerine ulaştı. 53 yaşındaki erkek şüpheli polisleri görür görmez evine kapandı. Evinden dışarı doğru polislere ateş açtı. Bu esnada olayın mağduru olan kadın da bir kurşunla yaralanmıştı. Polisler onu hızlı bir şekilde evden çıkardı ve güvenli bir bölgeye taşıdı.
911, what is the location of your emergency?
Hi, I'm at is screaming hysterically, her and her boyfriend.
And it's male and female screaming at each other. Or can you hear if they're making any verbal threats to harm each other?
I think it sounded like she was screaming, "Help me!" just now. I know my boyfriend was like, "I think we're gonna have to call the cops." He said that he had heard her.
Hands down! Don't reach! Hold it. Sir, Seattle Police, we need you to come out with your hands out. I don't know what that was in his hand. Seattle Police Department, sir, inside of this unit. We need you to come out with your hands up.
Oh my God, what happened? Oh my God, what happened?
Hey!
Shots fired. What happened?
Shots fired. Shots fired.
Oh my God.
You need to get her out.
Yep.
Ma'am, I need you to get up. I need you to get up now. I need you to get up. Okay, get behind the door.
Suspect is shooting.
Ma'am, I need you to get up.
He's back here. He's back here.
I got it.
Oh my God.
We're right here in the front unit. He's shooting out of this window and this door. He's shooting out of this window and this door, and he keeps moving back and forth.
The door that they're on?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's loading.
He's loading. He is loading. He is reloading. We need additional units now. All right, hey, I'm gonna shift her.
Drop the gun, sir!
Drop the
Seattle
guns!
Police
Seattle
Department!
Police!
Come on, with your hands up!
Ma'am, don't move. He is moving.
He keeps moving back and forth.
He's an Army Ranger.
Copy. Hey, ma'am,
I know, I'm sorry.
can you stand up?
I don't want to.
Okay. Ma'am, can you stand up though?
Why?
You're not hurt, correct? Bassie, are you hurt?
Okay.
Bassie,
Ma'am, keep dragging this way.
Bassie, are you injured?
No.
I'm a little injured.
I'm good.
Hey, ma'am? Is that window yours as well? Yeah. Okay.
Hey, we need medics. Female is hit.
Female was hit.
Yeah, but look at my wall here. I got both windows.
I just can't see the window he's shooting from.
Yeah.
Negative. Female is struck.
He's in that window
Right
now,
side, possible rib cage. She is
Where your light
bleeding.
is. On the left. Just saw him. Your light on that one.
Make sure we're still getting commands, Dave.
Yeah, I see it right there. Right there.
Sir, Seattle Police! Hey, come on, with your hands up!
You see him?
Show me your hands, sir! Show me your hands!
Back up, back up.
Astro, you see him?
You just shot from here.
Back
He's
up.
going to be a white
Back
male,
up.
possibly Hispanic, bald, 5'10".
The suspect is a former Army Ranger.
Suspect is a former Army Ranger. Again, white male, possibly Hispanic, bald, 5'10".
Dave, also watch this window.
Let's move. Let's move.
Yeah, go ahead and back up all the way back.
Yeah, how about you guys keep right here? We'll keep here.
Can you see through the door?
I can
No.
see part of the door only.
We need an EMT
I can
for
see
the female.
stairwell.
What's up?
I can see the stairwell.
Yeah.
I can't see to the right.
Okay.
Hey, Emery,
Yeah.
can you hold the window while I drag her out?
Yeah, he's right there. Right there. Right there.
Let's go around this building. Hey, we're gonna come to you.
Okay, we just won't have eyes on that window, so just careful of that. Make sure you're holding on that.
Okay.
Right here. Courtyard.
He's inside of his unit.
dude.
Just get in the courtyard.
Okay, Emery, can you hold while I go drag her?
Hey, where's it?
Ready?
Yep.
I don't know.
Brewer.
Over here.
Hey, is this part of the unit right there?
Yep.
1 Charlie 11, fire is staging. Do you want them to move to the scene or move to a secondary location?
It's this unit on the right. That
If
window.
we can get an SPD EMT on scene, they can move to a secondary location.
There he
But
is.
we are unable to render aid at this time.
Seattle Police, show me your hands! Our victim is right here.
Let's get set up containment.
You see him? Seattle Police! That was me.